How to clean memory on Samsung Galaxy S24, S24 Plus. Open the app drawer, tap the settings app. Now scroll, tap on a device care. Here you can see memory, tap on it. Now checking the memory, tap on a clean now. That will free up unnecessary background processes on your device and cleaning the memory on a Galaxy S24, S24 Plus device. Now tap on a memory restricted apps. Here you can see the list of app that runs in the background all the time. You can stop it to edit this list. Tap on excluded apps. Here tap on a plus icon at the top and select the app you want to exclude the memory usage on your device. Just select app like this and tap on the add button at the bottom right to add in the list. At the end you can see the RAM on your device, RAM plus. Select option. It will helpful to provide virtual memory on your device. Allow more apps to open in the background when you select the RAM Plus on your device. Choose the less virtual memory to keep the more storage free on your device. Go back. So easy to clean memory on your device. That's it. If you like it, share it.